In December 2003, Gyanudevi Bokale's husband, Hari, went to a nearby town to meet his father. That's when Nepali security forces arrested him on suspicion of being a Maoist rebel. For the next 3 years, his wife had no idea where he was. And 3 years later, his body was discovered. Since then, Gyanudevi has been waiting for justice.
The person who tortured and killed my husband should be jailed. They said he was buried alive. If he's not killed, at least he should be jailed. His wife and children should also go hungry. They should experience the same pain that we endured. That will make me happy.
At least 16,000 people died during Nepal's 10-year-long civil war, and more than 1,400 people are still missing. In 2006, when the peace process started, people like Gyanudevi were promised justice. The government promised to set up a Truth and Reconciliation Commission, along with a commission to find missing people and bring the perpetrators to justice. But a few weeks ago, politicians passed a bill which human rights activists say fails to do that.
It does not recognize reparations as a right of the victim, for example. It also has a lot of confusions regarding serious crimes and crimes of human rights violations. And it also allows opportunities to provide amnesty even to those involved in serious human rights violations.
According to AGNI KHAREL, a politician who was a member of the task force which wrote the new law, getting a political deal meant making compromises.
I'm not so happy because we have done a compromise on that issues. Why this sort of issue came over there? Because that sort of party were involved in that task force, which were directly involved in the peace process, not only peace process, in the period of the conflict also.
Some politicians believe that the Truth and Reconciliation Commission is not meant to deliver justice, but others, including the Supreme Court of Nepal, agree that human rights violations have to be addressed.
So the court has suspended the new law, but this is only temporary. And people like Gyanudevi are afraid that if the new law is enacted, they might never get justice. Subina, Shrestha, Jazeera, Kavre.